Hi everyone. Okay, so welcome to my first ever strictly printed cross stitch unboxing. I am no longer going to be doing haul videos on my floss tube. What I'm going to focus on, I'm going to tell you this little explanation, so if you want to fast forward, cool, go for it. So I am going to start doing unboxings. Why? Because I really enjoy seeing everybody's printed unboxings, and I love them, but I want them to be separate from my sorry, this just fell off the wall, from my floss tube, because I think with my floss tube, I think I want to take it where I show you my whips of my cross stitch and my quilts. But that is it, because I don't think I need to add the haul to it, because right now I thought I was going to be done with buying cross stitch, but I'm not. I just bought like another 84 of them. So I decided to just make it strictly unboxing. I don't get any compensation. I buy these with all my own money. Nobody's sending me anything for free. So, but I enjoy these a lot, and I hope it inspires someone to get started with cross stitch, printed or counted. It doesn't matter. It's still a craft. It's still having fun. It's still work. So I want to do this. So this will be my first unboxing, and it's strictly printed cross stitch only. So now the other thing too, let me just explain myself on this. I have found that I watch and I love the unboxings of the printed kits, because I love seeing how big they are. I love everything about this. I love everything about this craft. But what I don't love is hearing people unwrap everything, because you know how this comes in a package, this comes in a package. I hate it. I personally hate it, and I know that a lot of other YouTubers get the complaint. So I'm like, okay, what's the big deal if I take it all out of the package and put them into the package I'm going to put them in anyways, and that way we eliminate the crinkling, because I personally can't stand that. So we're going to go this route. So you probably still hear stuff, but it won't be that constant crinkle, 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 which is annoying, that I have found for myself. And believe me, I've done it this whole time on my floss tube. I think I have 13 floss tubes, and I did the whole crinkle. But now I understand, because I've been obsessed with watching videos of this. Okay, now let's get started. So I got these off of Amazon, and they're really nice, so pretty cool. Now let me explain something too about this while I'm showing you this. So my husband is a supporter. He is a supporter of me and my crafts, all my crafts. So let me show you what this one is. This one is going to be the dolphin. Isn't that cute? Okay, this is also from GBFKE. I can never remember their name, but I'll put a link to their website in the description box. I'm not a person who works for them, so I don't have a coupon code, so sorry. But if you go to YouTube, everybody else has coupon codes, so look for them. They're World of Stitches, or a World of Stitches, love something, I can't remember. And but yeah, just but in YouTube, on the search bar, put like GBFKE coupon code, and YouTube videos will come up, and then you go to the more in their description box, and everybody will have a list of all the names of where they get their cross stitches or whatever they get, and then they have coupon codes. Grab that coupon code. Don't buy anything without a coupon code, because you are guaranteed to get a coupon for everything that you want. I have not bought anything regular price, because I refuse to. So I am a coupon code girl, because hey, if they're offering it, I'm going to take it. So anyways, I have never done an 18 count. This is my first unboxing of an 18 count. So you get a hunk of, they call them hanks, but I like calling them hunks, of white for the background, which I will not do. I will only do the printed stuff in the middle, because I don't feel it's necessary to do the background of white. And you also get the little packet of needles. You usually get 5 needles, but it looks like they put a butt ton in there, and a thing to protect your finger, and a needle threader. So these are standard. They usually come with every package. Sometimes you get scissors and what do you call them, seam rippers. So oh yeah, well, in the quilting world we call them seam rippers. I don't know what they're called, if they're called anything different in the cross stitch world, I'm not sure. Oh, these are so pretty. Let's see. So this has I made a mess out of this, huh? 28 colors. So anyways, to get back to how supportive my husband is, because I will tell you my honest opinion of this. This is my first, oh, I love this color, you guys. That color is beautiful. I haven't bought 18 count, and for some reason I thought, I didn't look at the 18 count part. What I looked at was the size of how big this was. Because in my head, my husband's like, get a smaller one. That way you feel like you're doing, that it's not taking you so long to get one done. Because, you know, sometimes you get like, oh man, it's taking me forever. Well, he's like, get a smaller one. That way you can get it done faster and you'll feel more accomplished as far as this goes. And I was like, you know, you're right. And so I got a small one, but I didn't realize what 18 count meant. And 18 count meant, so I showed you this, that there's smaller holes. So I'm used to an 11 count. So you're talking, you got 11, then I think you have 14, 16, 18. So these are really, really small holes, you guys, like minuscule. So I will tell you honestly that I thought, holy smokes, I can't even see the holes. So not only do I need my readers, I also need my Halo Go light. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next one. And so I was like, you know what? This is the first time I'm gonna explain everything to you guys, so that way, you know, we can go back to the first one and be done with it, right? So I said, I'm like, oh gosh, honey. I said, I think I can't see this. And he goes, well, you know what? He goes, it's okay. He says, if it's too much of a struggle, he says, then it's not fun for you, so don't do it. He says, just, you know, don't worry about it. And I said, I know. I said, I don't. So I put it aside, and we got more. And I said, oh, I know. I have so much of this, guys. I'm going to end up putting in a pile and donating them. So I said, oh, babe, I said, I know. I said, I can't see myself doing this. And he's like, he says, this is the next one. It's the elephant. Look how cute that is, you guys. Isn't that adorable? And I said, you know what? I said, you're right. I said, I don't think this is going to be enjoyable. I said, I think it's too intimidating for me because the holes are too small. So I'll tell you what I did when I get to that section over there. Look how cute it is though, you guys. Isn't that the cutest? And these are serged on the edges, so that's nice. And then let's look at the colors. Oh, I love the purples. See, my favorite color are these lilac. Lilac are my favorite colors. 28 colors altogether. And then, so, but I'll tell you what, you guys, 18 count is a big difference between 11 count, and it's kind of scary. In a way, it was really scary for me. So I kind of went, I don't know about this one, but let me tell you more about this. So let's see, we have the other one, another cheetah, and this one is the turtle. Let me get to the turtle. It's easier for me to show you this way, you guys. Hold on. I end up messing it up. I end up messing up my iPad. I'm too impatient. Gosh darn it. Sorry guys, I am not tech savvy, so you're going to have to, you know, forgive me a little because this is not my forte. I don't know how to put pictures up in the thingy. I don't know how to do any of that. Okay, so let me try and show you this way. So there's the turtle. Whoop. So there's the turtle. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, so cute. So here we go. And this is the paper chart. And of course you get two hunks of hair. It's floss. And then let's see. So these are of course greens, which are beautiful in their own rights. There's not any color that I despise, you know, because some people are like, oh my god, I hate the color orange, or I hate the color green, or no, I love everything. 28. I don't hate any color. I really don't. Because I think they're all just gorgeous in their own right. Look at this one, you guys. Is this the same? Oh gosh, look how pretty that is. So 28 colors in this one. And let's see, so we have this one. Oh, it's so cute. It's not too bad. A lot of these feel like they're confetti, but they're not too bad, and I'll tell you why right now. So what my husband told me, you know, was, you know, put it aside and forget about it. And, you know, like, I was so in my head, I was thinking, okay, I'm just going to resell them. You know, I'll sell them and not worry about it, or give them away. I'm not sure. Then I said, you know what? Be a big girl. Take it out. Take it out and see if you can even do it, what it feels like, you know, that kind of thing. And so this is the dragon. I am in love with dragons. Dragons are my jam. And so I said, you know what? Let me start one. So this is the one I chose to start. Okay, you won't be able to tell too much, but I started here, and I have a little bit of the tree, the leaf going on. A little bit of the leaf. So that's what my back looks like. So that's where I started. And I have a little bit here. So as I was doing it, I was like, you know what, guys? I was like, you know, and I told my husband, I go, you know what? As I was doing some, and then I got, I started with the ear, and I said, you know what? I actually am enjoying this. I said, it's actually kind of fun. Yeah, I need my readers, plus I need the Halo Go light. Yes, I need all of that, because the holes are so minuscule. They are so minuscule, you guys. I'm like, holy crud. And, but I started it, and I was like, this is super fun. It wasn't bad. So, but it, you know, it was a trial and error for me, because I've only done 11 count. And so I went from 11 count, which is 3 strands of floss, and then I thought, okay, well, maybe this one's 2, or no, this one would be 1, because I'm like, oh, I know this can't take 3, and then I was like, okay, so maybe 1, and then it was like so thin, and I thought, this doesn't feel right. So then I googled, 18 count, and it said 2 strands would be the best, and so I used 2 strands, and that's all she wrote. Now I'm good, and now I understand what to do, and so I'm like, I am enjoying it. But I'll tell you what though, when you do an 18 count, you go from an 18 count and then you go, okay, well, I'm going to start working on my other project, which is an 11 count. You're like, holy crud, what a difference in holes. And so all you need is your readers, and I'm like, oh, I can see this, and you go faster, because you're like, holy smokes, this is awesome. I can see. So yeah, so that's, that was hilarious to have that happen. So, okay, let's see. Now I have two more of those. This one is going to be the flamingo. So this is the flamingo. I keep doing that, sorry. The flamingo. Isn't that cute? And he's in like, what's those, combat boots? Or are those, maybe they're just regular boots. Super cute. Oh, look at the pinks, you guys. The pinks are so cute. So anyway, so my moral of the story basically is try it. Try it before, instead of being scared like I was and going, oh, I'm not going to do it at all because it's too, too small. Try it and see what you think. And honestly, I'm just like, okay, I can do this. I can do this. And it was enjoyable. And it didn't feel like work, It didn't feel like it was too bad. 28. And so I don't mind it at all, and I'll be working on that slowly but surely, So, okay, then we have more of that. The charts, so cute. But yeah, we don't need those. And then, so not too bad looking. A lot of these are confetti though, and that's a little bit on the bummer side kind of thing. Not bummer like bad bummer, but more like, okay, you got to think. You got to think, because for me, the way I stitch, I have to have something to put the floss under when you change your floss. So I'm like, oh my gosh, so much fun things. Okay, so I'm at 15 minutes, so I'm gonna stop after this one, because I'm going to spread all these videos out. You're going to get a lot more of these unboxings, maybe 3 a week, because like I said, I'm just ordering and having fun with them. Okay, yeah, so let me make this one my last one. So we have this bird. This bird is the last one for today. And let's go. So we have her, and we got a Hank right here. And we have pinks and blues, and so pretty, you guys. The colors are phenomenal. So 28. So these are all like 28 colors, so that's pretty cool. That works. So like I said, I'm going to be bringing you unboxings of cross stitch about 2 to 3 times a week. No promises, because my life sometimes gets a little chaotic, and yeah, I don't even know which end is up sometimes. So yeah, but I should be able to. And tell me what you think about the whole, is this better or does it not matter? Because I don't have to do it either. And then because I was worried about the whole, you know, the stuff not coming off, I always test now, and so I tested with water, and yeah, it faded. So I'm like, okay, good. So I don't want that to happen where, you know, you do all the work and then it doesn't wash out, because I guess there was a problem there for a while. I don't know if it's fixed, so it kind of worries me. So always test your fabric before you start, and most of them I have tested. So so okay, now one last thing, I have a giveaway, and I'll pick the winner. It's only for USA. Sorry, because it's only $4, you know, and if I sent it to anywhere outside the United States, it would probably cost me like 25 to 30 bucks, and that's just not going to happen. And I'm sorry. So USA only. Comments, any comments, nice, hopefully. Hopefully nice comment. Oh, let me show you this while I'm at it. And I bought these. I don't remember how much these were, and I don't know if they were in this order. I don't think they were in this order, you guys. Were they in this order? No. I don't know what order they were in, but I got these because I love these so much. Now remember that they have a plastic on the top, so you have to get like a little, if you had nails, I don't have nails, but it comes off. The top sheet is a cover. And then yeah, so I bought 3 of those. They have 30, because I like the stuff that I'm working on, I take them off that cardboard. I don't like the cardboard, and I use these instead, and I love them more. And I think they were like $3. I want to say that they weren't that expensive, so I just don't know. But like I said, I'll link to the website and see what you think about them. Okay, last thing is I have a giveaway. I accidentally bought a counted cross stitch. It was my fault. So this is a counted cross stitch, and it's a whole kit. I think it was like $6. I don't think this was in affordable. The other ones I think were $4. This one was a little bit more expensive. But I don't do counted, so if you guys are interested in this, USA only, let me know, and I'll pick the winner, and you'll know on the next unboxing of the cross stitch. So watch those videos. I don't let you know, you have to watch. Okay, I don't ask people to subscribe. I don't do any of that stuff. Just, you know, just come back if you want. All right, guys. So if you want this, just leave a comment. Let me know what you think of everything. What was your favorite animal? Have you done 18 count? Do you like it, or is it too much for you? I totally enjoy 11 count, that's for sure. After seeing these little 18 counters, I'm like, yeah, I like 11 count. This one right here is 14 count, so it's one above, a little smaller than. But if you do count it, I'm sure you know what it is. Alright guys, take care, and I will see you pretty soon. I won't give you days. I won't say Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. No. When I come back, I'll come back. Alright guys, take care. Bye.